You may need to use different tools while demoing. Gutster Demo Bar is a versatile tool. It can perform multiple demoing tasks. Gone are the days of putting down your tool and hunting around the job site or going out to the truck for another tool to finish your work. The less time you are doing that, the more time you are working. When doing a demolition job, finishing the job fast is not just the main concern, but also the safety of the demolition worker. Use of the old pry bar can be dangerous. Construction scenes often result in unbalanced footing while work needs to be done. With Gutster Demo Bar, using the angle allows the user to maintain a positive posture, and the fork to provide balance while prying. The tool makes the entire demo operation a safer one. A crowbar that slips of a stud, or a user that loses footing while walking on a joist, are dangerous side effects of not using the right tool.